In this video, we're taking a detailed look at the attributes array on the Product API response. In our left-hand window, we have the response for the Altus 42-inch fan from the API. And on the right-hand side, we have the Altus represented in our product catalog. The attributes for the product are shown in the attribute specification table below. They are grouped by attribute category, and they're displayed by attribute name and attribute value. This includes attributes that define the product and product filters that can be used on e-commerce categories or e-commerce filters, as well as documents that include cut sheets, tear sheets, IES files, and more supporting documentation for the product template and its product variants. Additionally, every attribute, every product will include attributes for the vendor name and the family. So when reviewing attributes, we can look for the vendor name inside the attributes array. Let's expand our attributes array and see what we're looking at. First, we'll notice that each attribute is a separate object with a name representing the attribute name and the value property representing the string of the attribute value. Even if this value is an integer, it will be represented as a string in our value response property. The field type will let you know if it needs to be parsed as a number, which you can choose to do or not to do for your application. The category helps us categorize each of the attributes into a section on our website page, on our table, or for our tear sheets. The image represents the attribute value image of that attribute's value, not the attribute name, The attribute unit is the ISO standard unit that would be used with that attribute type. If it's a string, the attribute unit might be included in the string, such as here where it says watts. If the attribute field type is number, you'll see responses such as 37 that can be parsed to a number and then attached to the unit, or however you need to import the units into your catalog software. The description for each attribute describes what that attribute describes for the fixture. In this case, the average energy use of the fixture over the year. Again, the vendor name attribute will always be present for every product. The family name attribute will be present on nearly every product. Very few products, and only by brand, are we likely to find the attribute missing. Finish is a variant axis, and it contains values that are optional for product variants. When you have a variant axis and you have multiple values, we separate them with a comma in our attributes array. This allows you to do something like this, where we can say that the blade color is maple or mahogany or aluminum or black or white. You'll notice that the attributes include the attribute variant axes and their values. When creating filters in your e-commerce application, CRM, or ERP, you can use these values to populate your filters. The attributes array is a powerful way of digesting information into your CRM, ERP, or end-user application. It allows you to find the exact product specifications that you need, as well as create standardized presentations in product tables and specifications for PDF tear sheets, etc. If you have questions, comments, or suggestions, please contact us at admin@catalogiq.app or via our contact support page.